Okay, so I have here prepared myself a bunch of stuff. I have these copper strands, which I think would be good to use instead of the foil, because copper's good conductor of electricity. I have these are the bullets that I'm talking about. They're not really bullets; they're the ends of bolts which I've cut off. When I use bolts, I need to cut them down to size. These are just the scraps. I would have had more of these, but I ended up throwing a bunch away. But I'm sure I'll get more later on. So these are 4mm exactly. We need to roll this. I have put a steel core inside the electromagnet. So actually, I've got to turn on the lights again. But yeah, I have here the steel core that should increase the make the electromagnet stronger. But first things is I need to just roll this piece of paper to the length with the inside diameter of 4mm. Okay, this is probably going to be pretty hard. Yes, a good thing to use is these skewer sticks, which I should go and get one, and then we can roll this up. Yeah, I've gotten the skewer, and we shall just start rolling. Just some of the just start rolling just on the flat surface. It's kind of hard to get it started, but I think when you get it started, you get the roll started, then it becomes easier. Need a bit more friction on paper. Oh yeah, I think I've got started. Yeah. There we go. There we go. There we go, last bit. And we just push it downwards and push just tap the last bits back. Okay, take out the skewer, release a little bit. Just pushing that, and think we have. Okay, that's good. I'm just going to tape it up. If I can, I should have prepared the tape. I hate having to. It's going to be difficult to do to peel the tape one-handed. Oh man. Absolutely shredded the tape. There we go. That can just be bend. And just tape pressure around this side so that it will be better. And then the same thing the other end. Then I can start to release my tight grip. There we go. A bit more tape along the middle. And we just roll it like that. Let's make the tape pretty tight. Well, it might be going a little bit overboard with the tape, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Okay, and then just roll it. There we go. Hope this thing fits pretty snug. Yes, and right, now I'm going to cut this in half. Oh, can I just bend it in half? No, I'm going to cut it in half with some pliers, and then here we have pliers. Things are great, I love Leatherman's tools. And then just cut it directly in half. There we go, and I'm gonna just, I'm gonna bend these 90 degrees. Oh, 90 degrees-ish. I'm still doing it on camera. I hope I am. So that I can put them in like so. I should probably have measured that they're half. They actually are pretty accurately half, but I was just guessing. I should have measured them first. Yeah, they're good enough, to be honest. Yeah. I'm going to just put both of them in like that. Actually, this way around, and this way around. And then just pull these so they are pretty separate. Can you see that? I don't know. Let's see. You guys see that it's separate? It's not focused, the camera. There we go. Let me focus the camera. Can I focus it? I can't focus. I don't know how to focus this camera. I can zoom in, zoom out, but not on video. I'll have to find out. But really, I've just got them kind of like so. Still, it's out of focus. But with that like that, do you think I can? I wonder if I can still put this in there. Actually, it fits. This thing fits in there. Let me refocus the camera. Okay. Yep, I refocused the camera. Sorry. You guys can see that it's just, I put the pins just like so, and then this thing just like so it will fit in between perfectly. But something that I'm going to need to do is fold this over. Fold this. Or, sorry, I keep doing it over off the camera, but I need to fold that over. Actually, pretty much that it's parallel, just so clipped on and they don't. Here we go. And same with the other one. Just fold it over so it's parallel. And then it slides in. And ta-da! No, not that. That just fits in like so. I do think this one, yeah, this one's not exactly parallel, so I'm just going to pinch it a bit more. There we go. That's practically parallel now. Just put this in there, and if I can point the light directly into it, can it be seen? No, I can't really show you guys what's this. Yeah, the light's not really, I can't position it without blocking the camera, but it's like that. And then I think I can just sellotape them exactly 180 degrees so that they're on the opposite sides, just with electrical tape, because I like electrical tape for no reason. Perfect. This is some electrical tape here. Let me zoom out a little bit. There we go, some electrical tape right there. And then I'm just going to hold them in their positions, and then just apply the electrical tape just like so. Go around it a few times. Oh, maybe not the whole thing. Too late. Oh, no, let's undo it. Don't need to go around the whole thing because I'm going to need to solder onto these contacts. Yeah. And then just wrap round and round, and then I can just cut this, just tear it. There we go. And inside it goes. I need to position this. So I've got it like so right now, and it will fit. The screw will fit, right? Whoa, it's kind of stiff now. Why is that? Let's take this out. It's kind of stiff. Just a bit of squeezing. Should. Yeah. Works. Oh no, is it stuck in there? Just plunge it out with the skewer. There we go. So let me be right back. Okay, so I'm just gonna mark the paper tube certain distance, so I know what distance to put it into the thing at. And I want the beginning, so I want it to be, this is off camera, I want it to be close-ish to the end. I want it to be around there from the end, so I'm just gonna get a pen and pencil here and mark it right there. So it's the point where the contacts meet are right at the end. Okay, and then I'm just gonna widen, lengthen that line. And now I can just put it there, and it should be fine to cut off at a length equivalent to this. So that's where it needs to enter the tube at, and this is where we put the bullet in at. So that and then we can just cut it along there with a knife or something. There we go, this knife, and then we can just cut it along there, like so. I'm going to use the serrated knife because it will be much easier to cut with. Okay, just cut it through. It's not the cleanest. I'm just gonna poke this in there. Kind of trying to make it a bit more cleaner than it is. Okay, and let's see if that will go through. It's annoying, it kind of gets stuck. It fits through there. Just push it through around a bit so it doesn't get stuck. What about this? I found this tube. I was hoping it's much longer. It does fit in the cylinder. It seems to get stuck though. Oh yeah, turn the light on. It seems to get stuck all the time. Push down so that it's there and there. Will that just drop it and I should fall through? Ooh, it did once. What I really need to do is somehow tape the ends so that they become flush. You could apply some tape onto this thing and just use electrical tape. I might use electrical tape. Some of these scissors on this thing. To cut the scissors. And what I need is a small-ish amount of electrical tape on this. It's still on camera, yeah. Just cut it. I don't know if this is going to work very well, actually. If I wrap it around like so, it might work better. Yeah, if I can do this so that it sticks to itself. Yeah, like so. if I can, yeah, get it so that it can stick to itself inside of there. Just, it's a bit thick. We'll use a thinner hand. Push that just a time. So it's locked on. Put some tape in there, didn't really do anything. Maybe on, if I push it in this side, no, because it will get stuck in the inside there. This is too. Should probably have put the pieces in before. Actually, no, I wouldn't have been able to do that. If I can just. Oh, no. Wait, that seemed to work. Is it working just because of flu? It's working, it's going to work every single time. I feel like that might work every single time. I don't know why. Is it still passing through the contact? There's an easy way to find that out. And that is to add some battery onto there, to add LED. Oh, continuity test with my perfect. And if it goes beep, then right. So we need this thing and another crocodile clip. Right, so what I'm going to do is clip this with the black one, this with the red one, right, and then plug this thing in, set it to continuity test, so whenever I touch the two ends of these, it should go beep. No, it's the right setting. I think it was function. I think now it's on. Yeah, now it's on continuity test. And if I clip this to the end of that, and this to the end of that. I shouldn't get any signal. Good, good, good. Now if I drop this through, no, nothing. Oh no. If I put this through. Nope, nothing. This one works. But it works some of the time. It's working some of the time. So if I just have it there, actually that might work. Right, so yeah, I have the ammunition go through there. Oh, no, it didn't work. That worked. Slightly. What about this way around? Will it work this way around? Ow. Maybe if I use this kind of... Yeah, I probably will end up using this thicker stuff because I have more snug connections. But that shouldn't be a problem, it should still work. That is, if this is magnetic. Let's find out. Yes, it is. Okay, good. Be right back. So, yes. I have to keep this level. I need to refresh this thing. Function. So just as long as it... Right. This is closer. These two are closer to the top than at the bottom. I think maybe if I had that as at the bottom, then it would go through more easily. But that means that this thing has to be in a perfect position. Okay. I think it's time to test. So I think it's time. I solder some wires onto there, and then I put it in to this level that I have marked, and then I test it out and see if it actually works. Okay, I'm gonna do some soldering off of camera because you guys should know how to. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the soldering off the camera just to save you guys from watching it. Be right back. Okay. Yeah, so what I've done is I've soldered the joints on, and yeah, so there's two wires just leading out from there. I've also marked on here the top, so I know that has to be pointing upwards because I want the this side to be the bottom, so that the projectile can run smoothly through there without any interruptions or anything. See, well, it's not exactly the way I wanted it to go. I've got to position that downwards and show you guys. Hopefully this works first time. There we go. Should just come up pretty smoothly like that, and it did, which is great. I'm just going to put it in there. I don't know how much this is in right there. It's just fine. Put this in here with this. Just, well, really, it could be going anyway, but whichever way and the line that I marked earlier has to be flush with it, which is perfect. Which just fits right there, which is great. And now we can. I'm going to combine these. Yep, which is great. There and there, and here and here. Now, it's practically done. As soon as I place, so I'll put a projectile in there, and then as soon as I attach a battery and then with a switch, I'm going to say with a switch, yes, it should just project the projectile. Yeah. Let me get a 9-volt battery clip. Here we go. And then the 9-volt battery, rechargeable one that I have. Okay. So I've put that in the small section in here, which is great. I'm just going to position the mark so it's upwards. Put these together, if I can clip them on. I don't know if I will be able to. It's pretty loose. There we go, and I really hope this works. I'm just gonna lightly, well, tap it on there. No? Is that because, for any apparent reason, nothing? I don't know why that didn't work. I'm gonna use the power drill battery now to see if that will let it be strong enough. Maybe the steel thing is the problem, but I don't know. I can't. Ow. Nothing? No, it hasn't moved. Yeah, maybe this thing's the problem. I'm going to pull this out very slightly and pull this one out. That was the problem last time. Okay. Make sure that's lined up. The pin. Is that still in there? There we go. And that's pointing upwards. It's just like that. And nothing. No traction. I did test it. It was magnetic. Did that on camera as well. Let's use this, the threaded bolt which we were going to use in the first place. Would that kind of worked? Did that work? I don't know, it may have got caught. So this thing was going to be like that. There was a electromagnetic force, so What is going on? Please explain. Please. Explain to me. So that there is a force, right? Okay. What is going on? The connections to this aren't great, to be honest. I wish I had a way of connecting them better. Maybe I'll just fashion something that I can use out of this copper wire, which I can snip to size. I'm going to bend it into a oval, maybe. Some sort of there we go. And similar thing over there. Is this on camera? There we go, bring that in a bit. There we go. And now if I connect these two, okay guys, this is going to be a test showing that thing, hopefully showing that the thing works. Okay, right, I'm going to put the projectile just right in there. You guys can see that, right? I've just put it just in there. Okay, and here's the battery. Okay, that up to there, and I'm just going to tap it. Too long. The projectile's just coming out the other end. This is going to be difficult to show you guys. I should fashion a more permanent system. Okay. I'm going to show a more permanent. I'm going to set up some switches and everything so you guys can see better. Okay, so what I've just fashioned is a switch that connects the terminal to here, the positive of the battery, and then the negative goes straight to the coil. So when I press the switch, the projectile should go through and hit the end. Yeah, come through the railgun. I'm just going to put the projectile in lightly over here. Make sure that that is pointing upwards as much as I can get it to be. Disconnected it. Okay, I'm just going to put the projectile in, just so it's just entered there, and kind of worked. Oh, it hits the thing. It's not near the. But that's not. That goes to there, and I'm just gonna wrap it around a bit more. It doesn't come out as easily. No, I don't need that projectile. I need this one. Just push it in lightly, and here we go. That worked. Kind of. Really weakly, but it worked. No, it's come undone. I have a feeling that the copper is kind of... the copper inside the pipe, inside of the coil, is actually making it weaker. So, just like that. Now, it should come flying out. Why? Why is it not? Maybe if I... Nope. That's connected, that's connected, that's connected. This is the switch, so that's why it's not connected. Man, what's the problem now? It should work. That's connected. That goes to there. Is the battery dead? Maybe the battery's dead. Let's find out. It's got 18 volts, so the battery's not dead. What's the other problems that could have happened? Okay, it's weak, but I'll do some more research and see if I can get it to be stronger. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.